Night Owl Music in the Open Chord, 8502 Kingston Pike, Knoxville, Tennessee, presents Severance, Spent the Break, Omega Down, and Farewell to Kings, Saturday, August 8th at 7 p.m. Turning Heads Tattoos will be on hand to give away a $100 tattoo voucher. Get up, get out, you're not going to want to miss this one.
Bent to Break.
Chance to do great things. It's all full of hate these deep. Won't she lay down with the sand to pull on me? And this is a song for the ones who need to take a piece. Blade, lies, doubt, pain, minds crawl from the shadows, screaming, time to stave up their feet. Midnight. Scars from the lives we lead, a chance to make great strides. Black wings take hold of the night, cries of the ascended. But this takes a hold of your life, 'cause it's light to the world I see, deaf to the awful screams of buzz and to horror does not dissuade them from horrid things. And this is the dawn for the ones who see. She lets us be.
This is Veil by Omega Down.
it fade, and all the way I'll watch the world die.
This is Brandon Malone with Promise the World, and you're listening to Tri-City's Local Music Radio.
11 East Sports Bar and Tri-City Local Music present Cruising for St. Jude Children's Hospital Poker Run, August 29th. Registration begins at 11 East Sports Bar at 11 a.m. Registration is $15. Kickstands up at 12 noon. Car destinations begin at Hell Yeah Saloon, Bulls Gap, Tennessee, Tennessee Veterans Post 1, Morristown, Tennessee, Barbarossa Saloon, Del Rio, Tennessee, Goob's Place, Newport, Tennessee. Then back to 11 East Sports Bar for food, 50-50 drawing, and live music provided by Tri-City Local Music featuring Belfast Six Pack and Bent to Break. Show seating starts at 8. Come ride for a great cause.
Hey guys, it's Perry again. Looking for that extra vehicle? Hometown Auto, 3505 and a half West Andrew Johnson Highway, Morristown, Tennessee are the ones to see. Let Magic Mike Ward or Ravishing Ryan Roberts put you in that next used vehicle with in-house financing. Hometown Auto, give them a call at 423-312-1661 and tell them Perry and Glenda sent you.
Hey, this is Tabo from Presence, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Presence. Cage.
Darkness falls, and it bleeds like rain. The thunder pounds my heart and stirs the pain. The light in your eyes, it's no longer there for me. Open this cage and say